Dear ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide dedicated to help you remove the new adware called SimpleCache. SimpleCache is the new adware attacking Google, Chrome, Safari, and other browsers. This particular adware, by the way, is from the AdLoad family. The adware, once installed, starts to show pretty intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. If this SimpleCache was somehow installed to your system, it is time to get rid of this adware. So you need to check your available applications through Finder, locate this SimpleCache, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Now, I recommend that you additionally investigate your computer with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. Go to the website combocleaner.com, use the green download Combo Cleaner button. The software is available for all popular operating systems, by the way. So download the application, install it, and start carefully examining your computer with its help to detect and remove other infections from your system. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.